In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Kraken's margin trading feature new method. Using Kraken's margin trading feature under the new method gives traders more flexibility while keeping the interface clean and simple. Margin trading on Kraken means you can borrow funds from the exchange to open larger positions than your own balance would allow, giving you the potential to amplify profits but also increasing your risk if the market moves against you. To start, you need to make sure margin trading is enabled on your account. This requires identity verification at the intermediate or pro level, since margin involves borrowing. Once enabled, head to Kraken Pro, which is where margin trading is fully supported. Choose the trading pair you want to trade, such as BTC, USD, and on the order form, you'll now see the margin option available. The new method simplifies how you pick leverage. You can choose leverage directly on the order ticket, usually up to 5x depending on the pair and your account limits. If you want to go long, you place a margin buy order, borrowing extra funds to increase your exposure. If you want to short, you place a margin sell order, borrowing the asset to sell it now and later buy it back at what you hope will be a lower price. When you open a position, Kraken automatically shows you details such as your effective leverage, the liquidation price, and the margin level. These are important because they tell you how much room you have before your position risks being liquidated. Under the new method, you also have better control through conditional orders. This means you can attach stop loss and take profit levels directly when entering your margin trade, ensuring you manage risk without needing to place separate orders afterward. Once your trade is live, you'll see it under your positions tab. You can monitor your margin level there. If the market goes your way, you can close the position manually to secure profit. If it goes against you, the system will issue margin calls or liquidate the position automatically if it falls too far. So keeping an eye on your margin usage is critical. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.